and today we will be talking about birds. And more specifically, we will be talking about how to gain your bird's trust. Because many a times we see such great posts on Instagram and other social media of birds hanging out with their owners on their shoulder. And you try that and your bird just freaks out and he does not trust you at all. I will be giving you some simple things you can do to gain your bird's trust. I promise you that if you follow these things, your bird will trust you a lot more than he does right now. So the first thing to do is just let the bird know that you exist. Your bird won't trust you if he doesn't see you frequently. So make sure that you place the bird's cage somewhere where you are most of the time. So you can place it in a living room if you spend most of your time in living room or your bedroom. Your bird should be able to see you most of the time. When you do this, make sure that you give the birds some time to adjust. If the birds are stressed, they won't eat or drink, which is not great for their health. So after every couple of hours, you may just give them some alone time in which they are alone in the room. You may cover the cage so that they feel extra secure. Some birds panic when the cage is covered, so it depends on your bird. If they like the cage covered, you can keep it that way, or you can just leave the room and let them eat and drink. The next thing you have to do is slowly come closer to your birds. When your birds are comfortable with you in the room, get closer. Maybe get a little closer to the cage. Maybe a distance of 1 meter from the cage. After every 1 or 2 hours, you can just sit and look at them do their things from a distance of 1 meter. Do this for a couple of days until your birds just don't mind you sitting there and watching them. You may slowly decrease the distance and get all the way near the cage and just watch your birds do their thing. Let them get comfortable, and this is all you have to do until they get comfortable with you. It is also make sure that you don't stress them out in this process as well. Birds really get stressed even on some slight changes. And if your bird shows a lot of stress, then you must give your bird some rest by giving them some alone time as mentioned earlier. The next thing you can do is placing your hand on the cage. Be sure to go from the side and not from above, because birds don't like anything hovering above them. You can see my birds are kind of afraid when my hand goes over them, but not when it's on the sides. So be sure to maybe place one hand from this side or two hands like this. And if your bird freaks out and gets to the other side of the cage, so my hand is over here and the bird flies over there, don't follow your bird with the other hand. That will just scare them. Keep your hand where it is. Let the bird come closer to you. Don't follow the bird, because they perceive it as a predator trying to chase them down and hunt them. So please don't follow them. Just place your hand and let the birds get comfortable. After this is done, you can go on in hand feeding your bird. You will go from this to this, and from this to this, and from here something like this. The next thing you can do is cover their food plates like this, so they will have to come close to your hand and put their beak through this gap to reach the food. Start by placing two fingers on the bowl and then increase the space that your fingers occupy. Be sure to give them enough space so that their face can go through your fingers. There is enough gap for them to eat. And yes, the next thing you can do is teach them simple things like step up, or you can teach them to spin and such simple tricks. While teaching them tricks, you will build lots of while you teach such tricks, your birds will get a lot of confidence. They will not be afraid of you, and your process in bonding with your bird will just accelerate. While doing all of this, it is important to know that birds get stressed out really easily. So do not push them too hard. Let them take their time, and your bird will eventually trust you. And while doing all of the given things like placing your hand on the dish or letting your bird eat from your palm. Don't move or try to pet them, because that will definitely scare them and they will lose all the trust you have gained. So be patient, have some patience, let your birds take some time, and you will be good to go.